Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. I am Triveni. In this video I am going to tell about detox water. Now let's see how to prepare detox water. For this we require half cucumber sliced, 10 to 12 mint leaves, and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and half inch ginger, and a glass of water. Leave it for 3 to 4 hours. For this we require half glass of orange juice, a pinch of cinnamon powder, and another half glass of water, and leave to steep overnight. This detox water eliminates the toxins from the body, it boosts the metabolism, and it helps in weight loss. If you like the content, please hit 200 likes to the video. It will motivate us to do better content. And please subscribe and share with your friends. And thank you for watching.